In this video, we are going to talk about the best lopping shears you can get right now. Whether you're trimming small branches to keep your garden neat, cutting thick, overgrown limbs, or looking for a tool that reduces hand strain while pruning, there's a perfect option for every need. Some people need lightweight and easy-to-use loppers for occasional yard work, while others want a heavy-duty branch cutter for tougher jobs. That's why we've picked the top 5 loppers that offer the best cutting power, durability, and ease of use. Make sure to watch until the end to see which one suits your needs best, and let us know in the comments which lopper you would pick as your top choice. Now, let's get started. At number 5, the Fiskars 28-inch Power Lever Garden Bypass Lopper is a great tool for those who need something simple yet effective for trimming small to medium branches in their yard. It is designed to cut branches up to 1.75 inches thick, making it ideal for regular garden maintenance. What makes this tree branch cutter stand out is its power lever technology, which gives you extra cutting power so you don't have to strain your hands when dealing with thicker branches. The sharp steel blade stays in good condition for a long time and has a special coating to prevent it from sticking or rusting. It also has comfortable, non-slip handles, making it easy to use for longer periods without hand fatigue. If you are looking for a basic yet reliable bypass lopper for pruning trees, cutting shrubs, or keeping your garden neat, this is a solid choice. At number 4, the Corona X Series Pro 2 1x4-inch bypass lopper is designed for people who need a stronger and more durable tool for heavy-duty branch cutting. With its high-carbon steel blade, this tree pruning lopper is capable of cutting through both fresh green branches and tougher dry wood up to 2.25 inches thick. One of its best features is that the blade can be resharpened or replaced, so you don't have to worry about it becoming dull over time. The lightweight aluminum frame makes it easier to handle, and the ergonomic design ensures that you can use it for long periods without discomfort. This garden lopper is especially useful for those who need a dependable tool for frequent pruning, whether for maintaining trees, shaping hedges, or handling overgrown plants that require more effort. To cut. At number 3, the Fiskars Power Gear 2 32-inch bypass lopper is one of the best heavy-duty loppers for tree trimming. It has a special compound action mechanism that increases cutting power by 3 times, making it much easier to cut through thick branches up to 2 inches in diameter. The fully hardened steel blade stays sharp longer, and its non-stick coating prevents sap and debris from gumming up the cutting process. The long 32-inch handles provide extra reach, so you can trim higher branches without needing a ladder. This is a great option for anyone who needs a powerful yet easy-to-use tree branch cutter that reduces strain on the hands and arms. Whether you are a homeowner managing a large backyard or a professional landscaper looking for an efficient tool, this pruning lopper is built for demanding tasks. At number 2, the Felco 22 two-hand lopper. Pruning shears is a premium quality option for those who want precision, durability, and ease of use all in one tool. This lopper is designed with forged aluminum handles, making it both lightweight and incredibly strong. It is perfect for those who need a tool that will last for years without losing its sharpness or efficiency. The high-quality aluminum blade ensures clean and precise cuts, which is important when pruning trees and bushes to promote healthy growth. The well-balanced design makes it comfortable to hold and easy to control, even when cutting through thick branches. The bright red handles make it easy to find among your gardening tools, and its classic design provides excellent cutting performance. If you are looking for a long-lasting, professional-grade pruning tool for maintaining trees, hedges, or other plants, this is an excellent investment. At number 1, the Spear & Jackson 8290 RS razor-sharp heavy-duty telescopic Ratchet Anvil Lopper is the best choice for those who need maximum cutting power with the least amount of effort. This tree pruning lopper is designed with a ratchet mechanism, which means it cuts in small, controlled steps rather than in one hard squeeze. This makes it much easier to handle tough, thick branches without straining your hands. The high-quality SK5 carbon steel blade stays sharp for a long time and has a special PTFE coating to prevent rust and reduce friction while cutting. What makes this lopper stand out is its telescopic handles, which extend from 28 inches to 40.5 inches, giving you extra reach for high branches without needing a ladder. The soft, non-slip grips provide comfort, and the locking mechanism keeps it securely closed when not in use. This is the ideal tool for cutting thick, dry wood or hard to reach branches while reducing strain on your hands and arms. If you need a strong, reliable, and easy to use Ratchet Anvil Lopper for heavy duty pruning work, this is the best choice. Each of these tree trimming tools is designed for different tasks, so choosing the right one depends on your specific needs. If you are looking for a simple and effective garden lopper for basic trimming, the Fiskars 28-inch power lever bypass lopper is a great all-purpose option. If you need something more durable for frequent heavy use, the Corona X Series Pro and the Fiskars Power Gear 2 offer extra cutting power and long-lasting performance. For those who want a precision pruning tool with professional-grade quality, the Felco 22 is a top choice. And if you want the most powerful and easy-to-use lopper for cutting thick, tough branches with minimal effort, the Spear & Jackson 8290RS Ratchet Anvil Lopper with its telescopic handles is the best option. No matter what kind of pruning work you need to do, having the right tree cutting tool can make a big difference in keeping your yard, garden, and outdoor space well maintained with less effort.